welcome back to my channel. My name is Zakti Roy if you're new here, and in this video we are going to unbox my new phone, which is Samsung S24. टाइटल से तो देख ही लिया होगा ऑलरेडी, इसलिए तो क्लिक किया वीडियो. Yes, I've uploaded this video after like 1 year of being disappeared, and उस बारे में एंड में बात करेंगे कि why I have been MIA for like a year now. So वो एकदम लास्ट में बात करें. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जिसके लिए तुमने क्लिक किया ये वीडियो, लेट्स डू दैट. Unbox my new phone and let's look at that. Also you can see what the color I bought, so I'm really excited for this color. मैंने ये वाला कलर एक्चुअली लाइव देखा नहीं. मैंने सिर्फ वो येलो देखा था, एम्बर येलो देखा था, सिल्वर देखा था, ब्लैक देखा था, बट ये वाला कलर मैंने एक बार भी लाइव देखा नहीं है शॉप में जाके. So yeah, let's go. So if you are wondering what's this light and this here is, it's another phone. I have taken my mother's phone, so I will be able to film a proper unboxing of the phone with this phone while this camera actually captures my reaction. Of course, it's an unboxing and a reactions. Okay, and I'm so excited. Also, as you can see here, I have not, like, my father actually opened the seal from the seal of the phone right here. As you can see, he opened the seal because it's a open box delivery. For the open box delivery from the Flipkart, so you have to open the seal of the box and check the product inside, just to make sure that you are not getting scammed. So that is why. So I didn't see the phone, he saw. I did see because I was doing a video call with my brother, because he's the one who bought this phone for me. Thank you, brother. And so, but I didn't see it properly yet. Now I'm going to see it and give my reaction, a proper reaction. So my laptop is right here, so I can say out the specs and the features of the phone, to make sure I'm not wrong what I'm saying. And also, I am not a tech guru. ठीक है, मैं tech guru नहीं हूँ, so my information might not be 100% correct. So you are allowed to fact check, and do let me know if any of the information I gave out is wrong or am I missing something. So I'm just gonna say the basic of the features and specs, only the basic, like camera, Snapdragon वगैरह and all. So let's open this, and it's already open from here. So 1, 2, 3. The color is so pretty. Can you see that? The color is so pretty. Such a pretty color. Such a pretty color. Like, it's the exact purple I wanted. It's not, I'm not a fan of purple. Lately I have been liking a bit of purple, but not that vibrant purple, like, pastel or vibrant. This is the kind of like violet type I like. Oh god, this is so pretty. I like it. Now the best part, I didn't let my father open this seal, so let's do it together. Okay. Oh god, it was so satisfying, and the look is actually really good. It's the round edges, they are not square like the S24 Ultra. They are more round and they are slim, as I said. And yeah, as you can see, it looks beautiful. They have 3 cameras. We'll get back at the camera later on, but let's switch it on. Okay. Do I have to charge it? I have a feeling I have to charge it first. Okay, let's get back to that. Oh, it turned on. Okay, give it a minute. As you can see, I'm really excited for a new phone in just 2 years. This will be the last phone my family has gifted me, like my brother especially, because the next phone is obviously going to be bought with my own money. So this means a lot. Okay, smart. Oh, it feels so good. The screen is really good, to be honest. Okay. Okay, we'll skip this part. I'll get back to you in the later on. For now, but first this box. What all we got in the box? Okay. In this box, I think of course we didn't get the charger. We have to buy the charger separately, which I have to buy one now. I'll buy in a 1 or 2 weeks because I already spent a lot in this. So I got a Type-C cable wire. It's for Type-C, both sided Type-C, and of course we got a, what is this, log guide. Okay, and okay, we don't need all this. I'm already a Samsung user and I'm a Samsung person. I did also had the option to get iPhone 16, but I'm a Samsung girly, so I was like, no, Samsung. I'm not iPhone person. I don't like that you have to. Also we got the pin. I already have 3 of these, so this is going to be get saved somewhere. Back to this camera. For the features, we got 3 cameras right here.
Oh my god! What is that?
As you can see, okay, that color looks so good. मुझे सूट कर रहा है ना, मुझे सूट कर रहा है, नहीं कर रहा है ना.
Yes, let's all be the Lulu.
Okay, so they got 3 cameras. We have 50 megapixel wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto. Of course, it is a updated version of Samsung S24, so it got the telephoto. Oh god. It got telephotoed, which wasn't in the original, when it came out. Now it got updated. Now it has telephoto 10 megapixel, and it also has 3x optical zoom, 30x space zoom. Yeah, and the front camera is 12 megapixel. Right now I'm using M32. If not seen the opening and everything of this phone, the one I'm recording from, here's the video right here. Please go and check it out. It's been 2 years. The front camera is 32 megapixel and it's really good, as you can see, but it's 12 megapixel, and even though it's 12, it kind of works better than 32 megapixel. For some reason numbers are not numbering. 32 should be the better, but somehow 12 is more better. The 50 megapixel wide camera is the best because I use a lot of wide camera for filming a lot of videos. Also, I got the 128 GB storage and 8 GB RAM. Yes, I have the 128 GB storage and 8 GB RAM, and of course it's the made in India of Samsung, made in India. The size and display, we got, what I'm saying here, please do correct me, 15.72 centimeters, which is 6.2 inches is the screen. Full HD display, okay, which means I'll get the full screen. As you can see, we'll get the full screen, not that big cutout or black area. Battery is 4000 mAh. Okay, when this phone actually came out, it had I'm so bad at pronouncing English. Come back to me, baby, please come back to me. Exynos.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You know what I want to say. I know how to pronounce that, but somehow I'm not. I'm so excited by the phone. I'm forgetting how to speak.
Exynos.
Exynos. Oh. Okay. So when it came out, it was like Exynos version. Now it has Snapdragon 8 Generation 3. Yes, when it came out it has Exynos, and it got updated in last 2 months, and now I've talked about the batteries. You can watch up to 29 hours and watch videos up to 29 hours, listen music up to 88 hours, which is really good, to be honest. It has Google Gemini, of course, inbuilt Google Gemini. It has Navbar, of course. I will show you after I set the phone up. It has live translator, which is also really good, because lately when I went to Bangkok, yes, I went to Bangkok, and the vlog will come. It has been 1 month and I haven't even recorded the intro and outro of that, but the vlog will be out someday. We'll talk about that in the list, why I've been delaying a lot of my vlogs. So I went to Bangkok, and the translator is a really big thing. Like English, yeah, we know I'm good in English. I forget how to speak in English sometimes. Okay, so sometimes it happens that we have to use a translator, a good translator. Google Translator is the best. So the live translator also might help a lot. Clear photos even in the dark. I like that, because I'm always in the dark and I need to click pictures in the dark. Please ignore whatever I said right now. It has strong vapor chamber, which means the phone will not heat up a lot when you use it a lot, like video or gaming. The phone heats up a lot. So it has a strong vapor chamber to help that. And the brightest display, of course, Samsung is known for the display, the brightest display, and it can go all day long. Also, the color name, of course, I got my favorite color. This color name is Complete Violet. I hated the yellow for some reason. I hated the yellow. Silver is too common. My brother has silver in iPhone 16, and black, of course, everyone has black. So I wanted to go something different and prettier, and I'm happy I chose this color. It has photo assist, meaning it can resize your photo, retouch your photo, and edit your photo like in a blink of eye. Also, I guess it has AI editor, which is really good, but also bad for the environment, because AI is kind of taking over everything. So editors, I'm sorry, I feel you, but being an editor, it will help a lot to me also, because editing is too hectic, and that is one of the reason MIA from YouTube. Editing is too big for me. Also, quick share from iOS. Samsung actually troubles a lot with the sharing between iOS, but I love that it has quick sharing, which it is compatible with iOS, which will help me a lot, because I use my mother's phone a lot. Right now I'm using for the filming of this unboxing, so I use a lot. And right now Samsung 32, which I'm using to record this video, it's so problematic to bring that like photos and pictures from that phone to this phone and not ruin a bit of quality. Like pictures, of course, in WhatsApp or in other way, pictures are easy to not ruin the pictures quality and get that high quality pictures, but videos, the quality has to go down. No matter what I do, the quality goes down. So this will help me a lot for that. So yeah, that's it. यही है इतना, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ टेक गुरु, तो मैं वो वो है ये वो करके नहीं बोल सकती. आई कैन नॉट. मैं ऑलरेडी यहाँ से बार बार देख देख के बोल रही हूँ, तो जो मेरे को खुद ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा एंड जो मेरे को लगा कि आप लोगों को शेयर करना चाहिए एंड जो चीज़ मैंने देखकर इसको बाय किया वही चीज़ मैंने यहाँ पर शेयर किया. बाकी एक्स्ट्रा इन डिटेलिंग में प्लीज़ डू वॉच अ टेक गुरुज वीडियो. I will not say कि just मेरा वीडियो देखो. Do watch a professional tech guru videos if you were planning to buy this phone. Some minutes, I will recommend to buy this phone 10 to 15 minutes. Yep. To switch on the phone, I haven't set it up properly, but it got my face recognition and my password. I've given it a password and just see the screen. Oh my god! Did you see that glitter? There's a live wallpaper as you can see, and I just opened up with my face and अभी तक ज़्यादा कुछ सेटअप नहीं किया है and like I've given it a dark mode and it already has some 55% and it's already installing some apps for a reason. I'll have to check that later on because I don't want unwanted apps on my phone. So it already has, what was that? I don't know. Later on. Okay, that was Google Glows. It already have Facebook. I don't like Facebook much, but Facebook and Netflix, for some reason they are always there in Samsung phone and they are like inbuilt. They are not going to leave. Okay, so it doesn't have much app, but just look how smooth it is. Just look at it, how smooth it is. And the camera, I haven't set up the camera yet, so you can see so many features are there in the camera. As you can see, I can choose with so many features. And how many more are there? Okay, I got slow motion, hyperlapse from panorama, food. Expert RAW is also there, which is really good. Pro video, night, my favorite. Night mode, for some reason I like the picture quality is much better for me in the night mode. Of course in the like evening and night mode. Portrait video, wow. Dual record, I like this feature a lot. Okay, so which means I can record here, but it is also recording here. This is the front camera and this is the back camera. So at the one time you can record from the back camera and the front camera at the same time, which is really good. Okay, we can select lenses also. We can select the ultra wide, front, wide or telephoto. For that, choose to dual record. Such a good camera. I like the camera a lot, to be honest. Portrait, of course portrait is gonna look good, really good. See how it looks. Oh, the camera is really good, to be honest. You can see every acne mark on my face, which is not that good. Okay, back camera is also really good to be. You already know I love the phone. So there's a lot of features which I can use. This is single take also. So okay. So yeah, you already know all the other features Samsung comes with. It is really good. Oh, I really like this part. Okay, I think I can edit the. Just hang on. Variations. Okay. Okay. Which one looks good? I like this light one, this one, this one, this one. I think I'll go with this one. This is really good. I can add a lot of widgets here if I want to, and of course change how this camera, like also change the color and the style of the, I got a lot of wallpaper options, and I can also create with AI for the wallpaper and graphical, a lot of options right here, or dynamic, and just a lot of things are here. I love this phone. Okay, in the front camera also we got widgets of all type of widgets. Like all apps gives one or two widgets. Okay, and yeah, themes are there, galaxy themes. Okay, so also एक और चीज़ इसका में we have सुपरसोनिक फिंगरप्रिंट मतलब साइड में कोई फिंगरप्रिंट नहीं है. द फिंगरप्रिंट इज़ ऑन द स्क्रीन. मैंने अभी जस्ट फिंगरप्रिंट सेटअप किया है. जस्ट वॉच दिस. फ़ोन बंद है. लाइक फिंगरप्रिंट इज़ राइट हेयर इन द स्क्रीन में. यहाँ पर फिंगरप्रिंट है. सो अगर फ़ोन बंद भी है तब भी फिंगरप्रिंट काम करता है. तो आई हैव सेटअप ऑल बोथ लाइक face recognition. Okay, I have set up the password here and also the fingerprint. So हाँ, and pictures मैं सारे यहाँ पर अभी शो कर दूँगी. तो मैंने mostly I will be showing you the dual record, the portrait mode, pictures, both picture and video portrait mode and normal picture and वो तो and also मेरा जो पिक्चर है थोड़ा एक मेरा फेस मार्किंग आपको दिखने वाला है बिकॉज द कैमरा हैज़ नॉट बीन सेटअप. कोई स्मूथनेस वगैरह नहीं है विच इज़ गुड कि जिसमें आपको क्लैरिटी पूरा समझ में आएगा कि पिक्चर क्वालिटी का क्लैरिटी पूरा समझ में आएगा. एंड मतलब पूरा जैसा आया वैसे ही है. तो मतलब कोई एडिटिंग या फिर कोई भी सेटअप नहीं किया अभी तक मैंने कैमरा में. तो जो ओरिजिनल सेटअप है उसी में मैंने पिक्चर्स लिए है. बाद में आई विल सेटअप माई कैमरा बिट. ऑफकोर्स नॉट दैट स्मूथनिंग एंड ब्यूटीफाई बट ऑफकोर्स थोड़ा बहुत सेटअप करना, कलर करेक्टेशन एंड ऑल. उसके बाद भी काफ़ी अच्छे जैसा आप इसके बाद अभी देखोगे. That's it for the unboxing and reaction video of Samsung's S24, my new phone. And thank you to my brother for buying this for me. So now we are going to talk about why I have been MIA on YouTube for so long. A year, to be honest. It's been a year. Yeah, last video was my Durga Puja vlog, which also was the fun, which I promised that I will be uploading more of Durga Puja. And you know, today is the first day of Navratri. Yes, today is the first day of Navratri, and it's count as more than 1 year. So I don't know if I'm not going to promise anything that if I am going to film the Durga Puja vlog like throughout if I feel like I want to film a Durga Puja vlog, I will film and I will upload. And if I don't feel like it, I will not. I might actually, to be honest. I will not promise. I've always promised that I will uploading this video, I will uploading that video, I will uploading this video on this day, this video, but I go MIA. Out of nowhere I go MIA, which is a really bad habit of mine because I do get bored really fast, and not just bored but overwhelmed a lot. And the filming aspect is not a problem. The filming part is not a problem. The part is editing. Editing is a really big, like, it's a big activity, not activity, but it's a big work. And the one more thing, if right now I don't have the much storage in the phone which I'm filming, I can film more than like 10 minutes more in this phone. I have that much storage. I can see how much I can film. If you know what I'm talking about, there's a red bar over here and it says I can film 10 more minutes of the vlog right now. So that is one of the problem. My storage is a big problem. even if I somehow film a vlog or video, somehow I do film a vlog or video, the problem is when I go to editing, of course I have to, the editing is a problem because storage नहीं है and editing takes a lot of time, and somehow I'm like, oh कर ले आकृति editing कर ले, and I go edit, and after that I have to export that video in high quality, right? So I can put that out in the YouTube. I don't have the storage to export. Yeah, that's the problem. Storage is a really big problem for me. I'm working on that right now. Yeah, a big problem is I'm too lazy for editing. Editing is like, oh god, it takes a lot, especially if your videos is jumbled up. The main problem is like for the Bangkok. I went to Bangkok, and the videos I filmed in the Bangkok, they have gotten jumbled up a lot. And when I tried to edit, I did try to edit, I got overwhelmed and I left. So yeah, story is a big problem and editing is a big problem, but somehow even if I manage all the editing, the storage gets a problem. So I am trying not to, let that happen now. Now that I have a laptop, I have two phones now, because just a laptop and one phone was not working for me. Now I have one more phone, which is a big help. So yeah, also of course I have a really busy time right now. I have something big coming up. A big opportunity of my career is going to come through my studies. So yeah, it's been busy a lot with the exams, 2 months straight exams, Bangkok, and other things and all. It's a lot, and I think I'm going to get busy again from the next month because of that big opportunity I took. But it's not just opportunity, it's like a really big, I'm going for the training. Okay, I'm gonna just speak it out. I'm going for the training. The date is not final yet when I'm going there and where I'm going, which is a big thing. I might actually upload a vlog. If I leave the city Kolkata, I might actually make a shifting vlog. This time I'm planning to upload, because the last time of this home, from last home to this home, I did film the shifting vlog, like a lot of them, but I never uploaded because again the editing part got me really badly. So but this time I'm planning to try it, and if I do vlog it, I will edit and post, otherwise I will not do. So I'm not going to promise much, and I'm only going to say sorry. But also there's one more thing. I don't get the motivation to edit. It's not just I'm lazy, it's also that I don't get the motivation. I do upload regularly or sometimes daily on Instagram, like reels and all. I do put out some content there because I do get some motivation from there, because I do get some views, likes and some comments, or some praise or something, at least something there. But in YouTube I get nothing. Like there are barely any likes, there are barely any views. They're like views are under 500. The views are under 500, and the likes, let's not talk about that. So the motivation part is also lacking. Like I do so much work, it takes so much time to edit. Like I have to get film, I have to get ready, put on the lights and everything and all, and then record, and also then I have to edit. So with so much struggle. Like I have storage problem, even then with the storage problem I'm deleting so much of the things, like my personal pictures and video, just to edit, to be able to edit. And if when I do edit and put things out, I don't get that response. So that's one of the things. But I will try a bit more to this. I will, yeah, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. सो आई प्रॉमिस नहीं करूँगी कि आई विल बी मोर रेगुलर और आई विल अपलोड माई वीडियोज़, बट कभी ना कभी वीडियो आता रहेगा. जैसे अभी ये आएगा, बैंकॉक शायद आएगा, आई एम नॉट श्योर, आएगा शायद. मेरा शिफ्टिंग जब मैं अगर शिफ्ट होंगी तब शायद आएगा मेरा न्यू सिटी में जहाँ पर मैं जाऊँगी फॉर द ट्रेनिंग और द न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी, उसके बारे शायद. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू प्रॉमिस नाउ and I'm not going to say that I will post. I will, I might not, but it's not I'm going to go MIA. Like, I will never leave YouTube community. I am going to be there even if I am MIA for a year or more than a year, which might not happen because sometimes in between I do upload some shorts which also don't get views again. But yeah, so you got the point. I guess you already got the point of which I am trying to tell for like past 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. I hope you got the point which I'm trying to tell. So thank you. If you are someone who has been watching my videos for a long time from day one and have watched most, I'm not going to say if you have watched every of my video, but you have most like 2-3 videos only, that means a lot to me. Thank you so much for that, and give me some motivation and pray for me that I put out something, like I do get some motivation and I become a less more lazy and I am able to like make some time in my schedule to put out something there. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye. See you in the next video. I don't know when that's coming.